Right, I'm back in Birmingham. Just got to change the bell box cover. I'll just show you. Right, I don't know if you can see it there. Right, just got to change it from the green one to a red one because the customer didn't like it. All it is basically is just changing the lid. So 5 minutes and I'll be back and show you fitted. One thing I forgot to say is I'm going to make this into a deluxe, which means fitting the LED array inside the bell box. I don't know if you can see it. It's just another board that you fit inside the bell box. Basically it goes, if I get my camera around. So there's the back box at the moment, and I'll fit this printed circuit board in and then get back to you. Right, the deluxe is in. Back up to the bell box. Right, this is what the customer required. Smoked bottom screen, red lens, sorry, red cover, no transfer on it at all.